In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find nearby restaurants on Tripadvisor app. If you're hungry and want dependable options around you, the Tripadvisor app makes it easy to discover places that match your taste, budget, and timing. Let's walk through it together so you can go from search to sitting down at a table with confidence. Start by opening the app and typing "Restaurants Near Me" into the search bar. If you prefer, just type "Restaurants" and allow the app to use your location when prompted. This helps Tripadvisor find options close to where you are right now. If you don't see nearby results, double-check that location services are enabled on your device for the app. Next, press Search. The app will load a list of restaurants in your area. You'll immediately see useful information like star ratings, photos, the number of reviews, and a price range, usually shown with symbols to indicate relative cost. Take a moment to scan these at a glance. A higher rating with a solid number of reviews is often a good sign, and the photos can give you a feel for ambiance and portion sizes. Scroll through to explore what's close by. You can switch between the list and the map view, depending on how you like to browse. The map is especially handy if you want to see exactly where a place sits in relation to you and other spots you're considering. To narrow things down, look for filter options. Choose a cuisine type if you're craving something specific. Set a price range that fits your budget. Toggle. Open now if you need a place immediately, or refine by rating to focus on top reviewed options. These filters help you cut through the noise and find a great match faster. When something catches your eye, tap the restaurant to open its page. Here, you'll find full reviews, more photos, the overall rating, and often a link to the menu if it's available. You'll also see the address and contact details, and sometimes you'll have the option to make a booking directly through the page. Skim the most recent reviews to get up-to-date insights on service and food quality, and browse photos for a realistic preview. Ready to go? Tap the Directions button to launch your preferred Maps app and navigate straight there. It's a seamless handoff, so you can head out without copying and pasting addresses. That's all you need. Search, scan the list, refine with filters, open a restaurant page for details, and use directions to get there. Enjoy your meal and happy exploring.